Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the next chapter, grievance redressal mechanism. Okay. Now here, grievance means the complaints of the consumers. Okay. Grievance means the complaints, and redressal means finding a remedy for the complaints raised by the customers. Okay. So we'll be learning how to find a remedy or the solution for the customers for the complaints raised by the customers in this particular chapter, grievance redressal mechanism. Okay, now the customers are exploited when they are unaware of their rights and privileges. So it is said that the customers or the consumers are the king, and the business has to provide maximum satisfaction to the consumers. But in reality, the consumers are often exploited. Okay, majority of the consumers, they are ignorant and they are illiterate and they do not know what their rights are. Now, the government has also taken steps to save the consumers, okay, being exploited. Now, the Consumer Protection Act has set up various consumer councils. Okay, the Consumer Protection Act has established the consumer protection councils. Consumer protection councils at the district level, at the state level, and at the national level. Okay, so the Consumer Protection Act has set up a 3-tier court or a quasi-judiciary. Okay, that is various consumer protection council at the district level, at the state level, and at the central level. Okay, so the main object of these council is to protect the rights of the consumer. Now we'll see in detail the various consumer councils. Okay, first one is the district forum. Okay, in this district forum, the compensation, if the compensation is less than 2 lakh, the case will be filed in the district forum. Okay, and if the compensation amount is between 2 lakh and 1 crore, it will be filed in the state commission. And if the compensation is above 1 crore, it will be filed in the national commission. Okay, now we'll see the district forum in detail. Okay, now the state government, they have set up the district forum in each district, okay, to protect the interest of the aggrieved consumer in that particular district. So complaints can be filed with this district forum by the consumers or by the central government or the state government or a group of consumers. Anyone can file a complaint in the district forum. Okay, here complaints can be filed with the forum by the consumers, and complaints can also be filed by the central or the state government or by the group of consumers. Okay, it is not necessary that the complaint should be filed only by the affected person. Others can also file the case in the district forum. Now, who can be the members? Who are the members in this district forum? Okay, now there should be one president. Okay, one president and president and 2 other members. Okay, 2 other members, and in this 2 members, one will be woman. Okay, so who are the members in the district forum? One president and 2 other members should be there, of these two members, one will be the woman. Okay. Now, this president, one president should be elected, isn't it? That president should be a qualified judge. Okay. Qualified district judge. Okay. So, a person who is a district judge or who has been a qualified district judge, okay, or qualified to be a district judge should be the president. Hope it is clear. A person who is a district judge or who has already been a district judge or who has qualified to be a district judge should be elected as a president. Okay. Next, two other members shall be the persons. Okay, the two other members, they should be a person who has the knowledge in the field of economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration. Okay, of these two members, one should be a woman member. Okay, hope it is clear. One president and two other members. This two members should be the person who has the knowledge of economics, law, commerce, accounts, industries and public administration, and out of these two members, one should be a woman member. Next is jurisdiction. The district forum, they can accept the complaints, okay, if the compensation is less than 20 lakhs. Okay, the district forum can entertain the complaints within the district, within the territory of that particular district, where the value of goods and service and the compensation, if any, claimed is less than 20 lakh. So they will accept the complaint if it is within that particular district and the complaint, the compensation or the value of the complaints should be less than 20 lakhs. Next, the powers of this district forum. Okay, whatever the final decisions has been, final solution has been given by the district forum, okay, it is deemed to be a judicial proceedings. That is, it is the final decision and it is just like the decisions taken by the civil court. Okay, so every proceedings before the district forum shall be deemed to be the judicial proceedings within the meaning of section of the Indian Penal Code, and the forum shall be deemed to be the civil court. If the value of the complaint exceeds 20 lakhs, okay, in that case, it shall be passed on to the state commission. Okay, next, appellate forum. Appellate forum means, suppose if the district forum gives a final decision, or the district forum takes any action against the seller for indulging themselves in unfair trade practice, okay, then the aggrieved person, the seller, can get the appeal against the order from the state commission. Okay, against the district forum, they can file the case in the state commission. Students, now we saw the functions of the district forum. Okay, next is the state commission. Okay, the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Okay, it is also called as State Commission. Now, the State Commission is appointed by the state government in consultation with the central government. Okay, the members are one president and two other members will be there. Okay, and this president, he should be the judge of a high court. Okay, in the district forum we saw the president should be the judge of the district court. Okay, whereas in state commission, this president should be the High Court or should have been the judge of the High Court. Okay. And 2 other members, they should have the ability and experience and knowledge in the field of economics, law, the same thing which you learned in the district forum. Okay. The capacity in dealing with the problems relating to economics, law, commerce, industry. Okay. And out of these 2 members, one should be a woman member. Okay. Hope it is clear. And jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means the powers to make the legal decision. The state commission, the case or the complaints will be filed if the compensation to be claimed exceeds 20 lakh but it is below 1 crore. Okay. So if the compensation or the value of claim exceeds 20 lakh but it is less than 1 crore, in that case the complaints will be filed in state commission, or the district forum may pass on the case to the state commission, or if the final decisions given by the district forum is not satisfied by the consumer, they can approach the state commission. Hope it is clear. Next is the powers. Now the state commission, they have the power to call for records and also give appropriate orders to the district forum. Okay. And they have to produce, the district forum, they have to produce and they have to allow the books of accounts. Okay. Whenever the state commission requests the books of accounts and documents and other commodities, they should allow or they should give the permission to examine those documents. Okay. And the state commission, they can also keep the books in their custody. Okay, for the purpose of the act. And to furnish such information, they may appoint a separate officer. Okay, all the information which is requested by the state commission should be furnished to the officer appointed. Appellate forum, the state governments may revise the order which has been given by the district forum. Okay, whatever final decision has been taken by the district forum, they can confirm those order or they may change those orders. And any person who is not satisfied with the state commission's order, they can approach the national commission within a period of 30 days from such order. Okay. Next, National Commission or National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, or they may ask NCDRC. Okay, this is very important question. Now this National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, it is a quasi-judicial commission, meaning it is semi-government or partly functioning like a court. Okay, quasi-judicial commission in India, which was set up in the year 1988. Okay, it is headed by the retired judge of the Supreme Court. So who is the head of this commission? The retired judge or a serving judge or is currently a judge of the Supreme Court will be the head of this National Commission. Okay, it is also called as National Commission. National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission is also called as National Commission. Now, who are the members? There will be 5 members in this National Commission. One should be from the judiciary, that is from the court. Okay, totally 5 members, 1 from the court, and other 4 members should have the ability, knowledge and experience from all the field. Okay, and one of these 4 members will be a woman. Next is jurisdiction. The complaint, the value of the complaint to be logged should be more than 1 crore. Only then you can approach the National Commission. Okay, more than 1 crore, and whatever order the state commission has given, they may revise it. The National Commission may revise it. Okay, revise the orders of the state commission, and they can ask for any records and also give orders to the state commission and the district forum. Okay, next is, we'll just go through what we have learned now. Today we learned what are the grievances and redressal mechanism. In that, what are the councils, consumer councils. Okay, now Consumer Protection Act, they have set up various councils at the district level, state level and the national level. And at the district level, each district will have a council, consumer council. Okay, and the members will be one president and two other members. The president should be the judge of the district court or will be a retired judge of the district court. And the two other members, one member will be women, and these members should have the adequate knowledge and experience in all the subjects. Next is, the value of the complaints log should be below 20 lakhs. Okay, and whatever the decisions taken by the district forum, if the consumers are not satisfied, they may approach the state commission. Okay, next one is the state commission or the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Okay, in this, the state commission is set up by the state government in consultation with the central government, and the members, I told you, there will be 3 members, 1 president and 2 other members. Okay, and the president will be the judge of the High Court or should have been the judge of the High Court, and 2 other members, they should have adequate knowledge in all the subject, and 1 will be the woman. Okay, and the compensation amount, the value of the complaint log should be between 20 lakhs and 1 crore, between 20 lakhs and 1 crore. And if the state commission wants any documents, wants to check any documents of the district forum, the district forum should produce all the reports to the state commission. Okay, and whoever is not, the consumers who are not satisfied with the decisions taken by the district forum may approach the state commission. Okay, and next one is the National Commission, National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission or the National Commission. It is a quasi-judicial commission and it is headed by the retired judge of the Supreme Court. Okay, and members, there will be 5 members, 1 from the judiciary and 4 other members. They should have knowledge in all the field, and 1 of the 4 members will be a woman member. And the value of the complaint logged in the National Commission should be above 1 crore, and they can revise the orders given by the State Commission or the District Commission. Okay, and they can also check the accounts of the State Commission and the District Commission. In this, you have so many 1 marks. The number of members in District Forum, you have 3 members, 1 president and 2 other members, and 1 of the 2 members should be a woman. Again, State Commission, number of members. National Commission, the number of members. State Commission also 3 members, and National Commission you have 5 members. Okay, and the president of the district forum is from the district. The president of the district forum is a district judge or should have been a district judge, and the president of State Commission should be a High Court judge or should have been the High Court judge, and the president of the National Commission will be a judge of the Supreme Court or should have been the judge of the Supreme Court. All these they may ask for 1 mark question. Okay.